What are a few healthy and nutrient-dense food to add to our diet to build the gut microbiome and to help with the digestion? Of course, a fermented vegetable, kefir, which is fermented dairy, raw milk, raw yogurt. Bravo yogurt is an amazing source of probiotics, living probiotics plus prebiotics added to the yogurt. A bone broth, which is high in L-glutamine, that's also a fabulous addition to every meal. It helps with the enterocytes healing. And oysters, actually very high in minerals. If you have a good source, a clean source, absolutely to be added to your diet. And organ meat like liver, kidney, thyroid, those are amazing addition to a healthy diet.